Nthi ya Kenya Niyikiite Kithito Kyailu cha Kukitana na Uwau wa Ndetema Kuisianwa na Livoti cia oyu Mituki ila Syikwonania kana Andu 84 kati wa 1,000 Kenya Nĩmo Mena Uwau Indi Undu kwa Tene maya na yemwene 12 Mwakani wa 2016 onovo kindikitona kuvinduka itina wa ikundi ya USAID kuvetanga utethio wo na kutuma vatiwa na ukuno munene sektani ya uiti nundu wa kwithiwa na mbe ya wo yikala ivinduka Silikali siele ni syakulwa sithiwe ikwatiania ni kana vaikethiwe na muico wo kuongelekela ono wo venda kana makaunti 10 na ala mekisia isione cha kwikumbela no Ndetema na mono mbingi cio singalikone ya uthuiloni wasua Nĩmo votomba ni waniwe Daniel Mongela
kutika Silikali ya Nthi ya Kenya kuisila muveani wa uiti niende na kwikia matambio ma kukita na kumina siku cia wa malaria kana Ndetema wa usuno wende kwitha we muiyo na muisio kwa Nthi ya Kenya.
Malaria remains a burden to many of our households, and as a country we are working together closely, both the national government and the county government, to ensure that the prevalence of malaria continues to decrease every other day. And we want to promise the people of this country that we are looking forward to providing an available, accessible, affordable and acceptable quality healthcare all the time.
Ingi kuyana na mwandiki mutine kamuveni wa uiti Silikali nene Mary Muthoni nikana vena county imwe kula usu wende na kwikinia muno ona kutuika Silikali kusila muveni wa uiti niende na kwikia mawalenyo makuolanga siko isu na kumina wa usu ivindani yukite.
Over the past 1 year, Kenya has undertaken critical interventions that have accelerated progress in malaria control, and one of it being the conducting of an end-to-end digitalization of mass net distribution campaign. And this campaign delivered 14.6 million long-lasting insecticidal nets across 24 counties, and we reached 4.5 million households, and that covered a population of about 28 million people. This was against the target population, but we managed to reach 94% of that target population.
Ukaivindani la Nthi ya Kenya tiende na ukwatiania na nthi ila ingi kulika na matambio ala makunitwe kumina siku cia usu Ndetema walakati wa matambio asu ni kunaikwa kwa neti na ndawa cia kuwa tumu kwa kaunti mbewe 10 Kithito kila kiende na ukwata ukuniko itina wa nthi ya USA kuveta utethio wo.
Out of the 5.5 million cases reported in 2023, 10 counties reported 4.9 million cases. And this is represented as 90.3% of all the cases in Kenya. And these counties include Siaya, Busia, Kakamega, Migori, Kisumu, Homa Bay, Bungoma, Kana, Vihiga, and Kwale. Notably, Busia, Siaya, Kakamega, Migori alone contributed 53.2% of all malaria cases in the country, underscoring the need for intensified interventions in these regions and the counties. And the recent pull-out of the USAID funding is equally a disruption. However, we need to highlight that there are urgent needs that need to be dealt with. One being the increased investment at both national and county levels. It is important to note that domestic resource mobilization, stepping up to allocation for malaria control will safeguard the gains made so far and will accelerate momentum towards malaria elimination.
Daniel Mongela, Mutungu TV, kumava kauntini ya Masako.